Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all or most of the creations that I've created throughout the week. Just trying something new this week. In the description box below are the main supplies that I used in my cards, because I know sometimes it's just a pain in the patootie to have to go over to a blog to find what you wanted to know, if maybe you wanted to know what that stamp set was or whatever. I've only listed the ones that are still current. Some things that I use, a lot of things that I use are no longer available. So hopefully this will help. We'll see how this format works. Like I mentioned yesterday, I'm just trying to figure out what will work for me and as far as a lot of things, but in my videos, just kind of finding a method, a rhythm that'll work. So I'm trying different things. So we're trying this week. These are cards from June 17th through yesterday, which was June 30th of 2023. I can't believe it is July 1st. Where has the first half of the year gone? Many things I have already mailed on their way, and so we're just not going to worry about it. It is what it is. So I'll show you what I got, and let's get to it. And since this is almost 2 weeks, I don't remember when the original posts were, so we'll just go with that too. First up is a cute little reading card. This uses the Happiness is Reading stamp set from Craft and Kimmy, and Happiness is Reading. I'm very pleased that I have started reading again during my lunchtime. It feels so good. I colored him with Copics. It's a very old paper pad, and then I just stamped him on the inside. I love his little puppy dog peeking over there. So there's that one. Next, I have 3 cards, and I made these for the Create It 3-Way Hop on Instagram. The theme this for June was summer. So I used the same stamp set, the same paper, and the same sketch, which was a Mojo Monday sketch, I do believe. And so then I just kind of switched things up. So we have this one. Together is my favorite place to be. There's the inside. And then you make me a happy camper. Those flags in there. And then life is better around a campfire. So I really liked doing that. A long time ago, I used to do a 3 for Tuesday series where I would do similar things. So it was fun to kind of go back to that. It's just always fun to see, like in this case, the same sketch, but they all look different, but they're all cohesive. The same paper pad, but it's different. And the same stamp set, but it's different. So that's super fun, and I'm hoping to participate in that each month, so that will be fun. Next up was for another Instagram hop. This was to rediscover your supplies, and the theme was rainbow. So I used a whole bunch of Trinity Stamps products on this card, and I've had this rainbow slimline builder die in my collection for probably well over a year, if not longer. Never used it, so that was fun to get out. I love the rainbow it makes. And then I got their Big Hello, what is it called? A Big Hello cut and foil die set. So you can foil it and then cut it out, and then it has the layer too. I used some rainbow confetti foil on my new glimmer foil system. Sorry, I need to take a drink. Goodness. Oh my goodness. It rained here today, and it kicked up a whole bunch of stuff, and so I have lots of allergies going on, and then I just swallowed wrong, and I would redo this, but I've already redone it 3 times, so I'm sticking with it. Excuse me. And this was only the second time I've really played with the glimmer system. It didn't foil it perfectly, but one of my friends said it looked intentionally distressed, so that's what I'm going with. And then the translucent sparkle dots are really cool. I love how this came out. I didn't really decorate the inside, but super, super neat. I really liked it, and I can't wait to play more with those products. And then I started to challenge myself to use some of my favorite sketch challenges and start at the beginning. So this is Mojo Monday, which I think is probably my favorite sketch challenge. And this is sketch number 1 from way back. I don't even remember. I want to say it was 2007. It could have been maybe later. I don't remember. But anyways, Julie Tillman, who did Mojo Monday, sure did provide a lot of mojo with her sketches. I used a Crafty Courtyard kit from Pink and Main from last year. The kit itself is no longer available. They do have a stamp set called Floral Wings, which I will link below, that is very similar to this. But I just love how it turned out. I added some sparkle on the wings and the centers there, and then I added some of those dragonflies on the inside. I just started getting their kits again. It is such a great value. I will link that below. And then to end the week, I had my Mermazing card that I had a video on yesterday. So shimmery, so neat, and always be yourself unless you can be a mermaid. Uses that Craft and Kimmy You Are Mermazing stamp set and some shimmer spray, and yeah, I just love it. So there are the creations that I have to share with you for this Saturday showcase. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. See you soon.